Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Miss Huda and my dear friend. I am Muhammad Daniyal bin Muhammad Azeem. My metric number is M2002002731. My friend Akmal and I will present about the domain bacteria. So I would like to start my presentation first. So I would like to talk about the unique characteristic of domain bacteria first. So there are 5 characteristics. There are 5 characteristics of domain bacteria. First is the place that we can find the bacteria. There are 4 places that we can find the bacteria, which is the first place is in ocean, second one is in fresh water, and the third one is on rocks. The last one is we can find in the soil. The next unique characteristic of domain bacteria is it is made up of single cell, which is only made up of only one cell. The third characteristic of the unique characteristic of the domain bacteria is it has a thick and gelatinous cell wall. Maksudnya di sini ialah cell wall ini diperbuat daripada bahan yang tebal. Sebab tu dia dimaksudkan sebagai gelatinous cell wall. Unique characteristic yang seterusnya ialah it is a photoautotrophs. So photoautotrophs ni maksudnya macam photosynthetic organism that utilizes energy from light to synthesize organic molecules green plants that convert carbon dioxide into carbohydrates in the presence of sunlight. So maksudnya itulah merupakan maksud photoautotrophs di sini. So next I would like to talk about the filamentous differentiate. There are three filamentous differentiate. So the first thing is vegetative cell, which is a photosynthetic cell. The second one is akinetes, which is form spores under unfavorable con. The third one is heterocytes, which is form nitrogenous to fix oxygen. Okay, vegetative cell. What is vegetative cell? So basically, vegetative cell is photosynthetic cell that are formed under favorable growing condition. These cells have genes and encode protein, which is an enzyme for photosynthesis. That is what we meant about vegetative cell. Next is akinetes. Akinetes is a type of climate resistant spores that form when environmental condition becomes unfavorable. The last one is heterocytes, which is thick wall contain the enzyme and nitrogenase to fix the nitrogen. That is the 3 filamentous differentiate about, which is vegetative cells, akinetes, and heterocytes. So before we proceed to the next part of the presentation, I would like to repeat again the 5 unique characteristics of the kingdom, which is it can be found in ocean, freshwater, rocks, and soil. It is only made up of single cell. It has a thick and gelatinous cell wall. It is a photoautotrophs, and it has a 3 filamentous differentiate, which is vegetative cells, akinetes, and heterocytes. That's all from me. Next, next my friend will talk about the classification of the kingdom accordingly. Thank you. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum. I am Mohamed Akmal Hafiz bin Salehuddin. My metric number is M2020167131. Today, I will continue my friend Daniyal present about kingdom bacteria. I would like to present about the classification of kingdom Monera. Kingdom Monera have 2 species of bacteria, which is Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. Archaebacteria have 3 bacteria, which is Helophilus in salt area, Thermoacidophilus in hot spring, and Methanogens in marshal area. The Eubacteria is true bacteria, have 2 species, heterotrophic bacteria and autotrophic bacteria. Autotrophic bacteria have 2 species, which is Chemoautotrophus, which is sulfur bacteria, and photoautotrophus is Canobacteria. Next, the next one. is Archaebacteria. I want to present about Archaebacteria. Archaebacteria, they are the most ancient bacteria found in the most extreme habit, such as salt area, we call Halophilus, and hot spring, Thermoacidophilus, and Martia area methanogens. The structure of Archaebacteria. The structure of the cell wall is different from the of the other bacteria, which help these bacteria survive in extreme condition, like the hot spring and salt area. The mode of nutrition, the mode of these bacteria to get nutrition is autotrophic. The nucleotide sequence of its tRNA and rRNA is unique. Eubacteria are also known as a true bacteria. The cell wall is rigid and made up of a petoglochicon. Eubacteria move with the heart of flagella. A few bacteria contain short appendages on the cell surface, known as pili, which help the bacteria during sexual reproduction. Pili also help pathogens to attach to the host. Eubacteria, they have divided into the categories gram-positive and gram-negative, depending upon the nature of the cell wall and the stain they take. The example of eubacteria is Rhizobium and Clostridium.
So next, I would like to talk about the importance of the kingdom. So the first important is recycling of chemical elements in ecosystems. So basically, it acts as a decomposer. Okay, decomposer tu adalah macam dia satu penguraian. Dalam BM maksudnya decomposer tu adalah penguraian. Okay, importance yang seterusnya ialah symbiotic. Symbiotic, which is involved in human digestive tract. So it's like an element that's help our body in digesting our food and so on. So maksudnya di sini symbiotic ni maksudnya macam dia merupakan satu elemen ataupun satu bahan yang menolong badan kita untuk digest pemakanan ataupun bahan yang lain yang masuk dalam badan kita. Itu maksudnya symbiotic. So itu sahaja daripada saya. That's all from me. Next, Akmal will tell you guys the another two importance of the kingdom.
I will continue, my friend, the importance of the kingdom bacteria. The third one is pathogenic. A parasitic bacterium in human is the Acidophilus Helicobacter pylori, which can cause infection in the lining of the stomach that often result in peptic ulcer. The last one, the importance of the kingdom Monera for research and technology. Prokaryotic decomposer are used in sweat treatment, and soil bacteria are used to decompose petroleum and oil spilled on beach. That's all from me. Thank you.